Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today let us do the part 7. We'll continue with this exercise 8.3. We already done few problems can have a look at the previous video. So we'll start with question number 5. By selling a table for rupees 990, a trader gains 10%. So we have to find the cost price of the table. So let us write the given things first. Selling price is given as 990, gain is 10%. So we want the cost price. So we don't know the cost price. So now that also we can write it. So the cost price is we put a question mark over here. So now we have a formula. We have these two given things. So what we can do, we want the cost price of this one. So now we want this cost price. So we can use this formula. So the selling price is 100 plus, because the gain percent is given, divided by 100 into cost price. So this was because we know this one and we know this. So this can be, we know this one and we know this and this part. So we can find out this part. So now here, this is selling price is 990 given. This is 100. Gain percent is 10 divided by 100 into, we don't know the cost price. So 990 here, when you add this one, this is going to be 110 divided by 100 into the cost price. So this we can take it on this side. So this will be 990 into 100, and this will go in the denominator. So that will be 990 into 100 into divided by 110. That is the cost price that is on the right hand side itself. So when you simplify this one, so this will be 11 nines are, that will be 99, and this will be 0. So this will be 90 into 10. So this is going to be 900. So the cost price is rupees 900. So that is what they have asked. An article was sold for rupees 300 with a profit of 25%. What is its cost price? So again here also we write the selling price of an article, which is given as 300. So the profit is given as 25%, and the cost price is a question mark here. We don't know. So again, we can use the same formula. Selling price is 100 plus profit percentage divided by 100 into cost price. So this formula you have to learn, because here we know the profit and we know the profit percentage and we know the selling price. So we can find out this cost price. So the selling price is given as 300. This 100 as it is. Profit percentage means it is given 25. This will be 100 into this cost price. So this 300 as it is. This will be 125. This is going to be 100 into the cost price. So now what will you do here? This will be 300 into 100, and this will go in the denominator. That will be 125. That is the cost price. So now what we can do here, 25 fours are and 25 fives are is 125. So 5 ones are 5 and 5 30s are. Sorry, 5, it will be 300. So 5 is going to be 5 6 are. So this is going to be 60. So this will be 60 into 4, that is going to be 240, and which is the cost price. So the cost price of a coat is rupees 600. It was sold at a profit of 5%. Find the selling price of the coat. So the cost price is given, we have to write the given things first. Cost price is 600. Profit is given as 5%, and we don't know the selling price. So again, we can use the same formula. Here we had cost price was not given, but we are not going to change the formula. We'll use the same formula and we'll find out the selling price. This because we know profit percentage and we know the cost price. So we can find out the selling price here. So this is 100. 5% is the profit percentage divided by 100 into this cost price is given as 600. So now these two zeros get cut. So this is going to be 105 into 6, which is going to be, you multiply it, you get the selling price as 630 rupees. An item was sold for rupees 570 at a loss of 5%. What was it? What was its, we can say, cost price. So now what will you do here? Selling price of one item that is given as 570. Loss is given as 5% and we don't know the cost price. So now again we will use the same formula, but in place of this, now here we use the profit percentage. So this was added. So whenever there is a loss because loss of 5%, so you're going to subtract here and here you're going to write the loss percentage. The rest everything is the same, because here 100 minus loss percentage divided by 100 into cost price. Only this part should be changed. So now you know the selling price, that is given as 570. 100 minus here, this is 5% because that is given, divided by 100 into the cost price which we don't know. So 570, this is going to be 95 divided by 100 into cost price. So when you multiply this into this one, 570 into 100, and this will go in the denominator, that will be 95 is equal to cost price. So here will be 520s are and 519s are. Now again here 19 ones are, 19 threes are 57, and this one 0. So that is going to be 30. So when you multiply this into this, that is going to be 600, which is the cost price. So we can write, therefore cost price of this is rupees 600. Sagar got an article for rupees 1215 and spent rupees 35 on its transportation. So now here cost price of an article is 1215 and the expenditure means the spent one. So that is how much? Rupees 35. So here it's given at what price should he sell the article to have a gain of 16%. So gain is 16%, so we want the selling price. So now we will, first thing we are going to add whatever is spent also should be considered in this one. You have to add in the cost price. So 1215 plus this 35. So that is going to be 12 that will go in this cost price, that will be 1250. When you add this one, it should be 1250. So now what would they say? They said what is the selling price? So here the gain percentage is given. So again we are going to use the same formula, that is the selling price is equal to 100 plus gain percentage divided by 100 into cost price. This formula is used in many places. So here this will be 100 plus this is going to be 16 divided by 100 into this cost price is going to be 1250. So here this will be 116 divided by this 100 into 1250. So this and this gets cut. 5 2s are, 5 25s are. So now what will you write here? 2 1s are and 2 58s are. You can simplify it anyways, whatever you feel easy. So now 58 into 25, that is going to be 1450. So that is the selling price. So we can say selling price of an article is rupees 1450. A retailer buys a watch for rupees 385. By paying 15 more, he gets the strap of the watch replaced by another expensive one. Then he sells the watch for rupees 450. So find his gain or loss percentage. So what are you going to do here? First we'll see cost price of a watch. What is it? That is given as, because buys a watch means that is the cost price, that is given as 385. So now strap of watch. What is that? By paying 15 more, he gets the strap of the watch replaced by another expensive one. So he bought a watch, then he changed this strap of the watch, that is rupees 15 extra. So the cost price is going to be this, we are going to add together. So 385 plus 15, that is going to be rupees 400. So now then he sells the watch for rupees 450. The selling price is rupees 450. So find his gain or loss percentage. Now can you, first we don't know whether it's a gain or loss, so how to find out? The cost price is 400, right? And here the selling price is 450. If the selling price is more, means definitely there is going to be gain. So now first thing, we cannot find out directly the percentage. We have to find out the simple gain first. So gain formula is selling price minus cost price. So this will be 450 minus this 400, that will be subtract, means it is going to be 50. So that is gain is rupees 50. Now we are going to find out the gain percentage. So gain percentage of formula is, that is gain divided by CP into 100. So what is the gain? That is 50 The cost price is given here as 400 and into 100. So these two zeros get cut. So when you divide this 150 divided by this 4, 4 ones are 4, and this is 10, 4 twos are 8, and this is 2. So it is going to be 12, 2 by 4. So this also can be simplified. That will be 12 integers 1 by 2. So that 12.5%. So that is gain is 12.5%. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.